We've all seen those ads or heard them on the radio.
Get rich in real estate or flip a house and make a gazillion dollars.
And thought to ourselves, is this for real? We thought the same thing. We went to workshops and seminars, and no one ever told us how to meet our goals. So we had to figure out how to create a real estate investing business on our own. And now we buy over 100 houses every year, and we can teach you how to do the same thing. That's why we created Right Path Real Estate. We offer practical real estate investing that puts you on the path to meet your goals. We're hosting a weekend workshop that cuts through the nonsense and shows you how we do this day in and day out. This event has literally changed the lives of many investors and will help you take the next step on the path to reaching your goals. Register today at rightpathrealestate.com.